If you're building a camper van, this mess right here could take days to wire. But what if you could replace all of this with one box? This system replaces almost all of them. This is the difference between a traditional RV solar system and the ComVolt 4200.
Today is electrical day, so we've been real strategic on where we run our wires. With this board, the wife and I sat here for the past 2 hours, drawing up everything where we wanted to go and how much power we're gonna need for each area. We have a complete solar power system from our friends over at VELITcamping.com. VELIT, or is it VELIT? VELITcamping.com. We're gonna put that down in the description below, so make sure you check them out. But we have a complete solar system from these guys, man. We have 4K of solar power, guys, 4K. That's 4,000 watt hours. That's great power right there. Our AC unit alone would be able to run 16 hours off this power unit that we have. And all this we got from my friends over at VELIT Camping. Again, thank you guys. We're putting their information down below. Put our contact guy just for you. You tell them that KapKen sent you, and they will take care of you, all right? So let's get on this project here, y'all. We're gonna get these wires ran. KapKen, let's work. So what we have here is a ComVolt 4200 system, guys. Look at that. Comes with all this 4200 system, and it also comes with an AC unit right there. This comes with a DC PDU and an AC PDU. And to control those, you have a monitor here. You know what? Let's go ahead and just take this plastic off for now. So you have a touch screen there. Then you have a touchscreen here. But what we're working on today is getting this installed, touchscreen monitor, and our different, you can call these circuit breakers or breaker box. This is their version of a breaker box, which is so convenient, guys, so convenient. So what we have to do right now is run our 4-gauge cabling through the little conduits that's already built into the van. This is gonna house all of our AC and DC panels, along with our switches and monitors and everything. Is gonna be right here in this area. Important thing for us to do is close off this wall, but I can't close this wall off until I get these wires ran through there. And when I say close it off, what we're gonna do is just put some covering over the hose, and then we're gonna come over the whole thing with some black vinyl tape like what's going here. This vinyl tape, this is leather repair tape. It's good for everything, guys. I love it. It contours to the corners perfectly and all that, so we're going to use that to cover up this whole little section here, so we don't have to use wood or paneling or anything like that, because the object is to try to use as least wood as possible. I'm not knocking anybody that's using wood, but they don't use wood in vehicles for a reason, so our job is to try to use as least as possible. So now we have to take fishing tape line here to run down the walls here, because I had to pull off all the hard work I did, because I couldn't just get it through there easily without being able to see each step. So let's go ahead and run this through. We have 3 wires we need to pull up. Hopefully that is it, because once I close it up, it's closed. Damn it. All that work and I forgot a wire. It's still laying down here on the floor. God damn it. Water pump, ball valve, and a heat sensor, floor sensor for the heated floors. So let's get it done. God damn it. Another thing that slows me up is my doggy. She loves to play golf. She don't like for me to throw it. What she likes is for me to hit her with the club. And I'm not a golfer at all, so don't laugh at me. But I gotta do this to keep her entertained while I'm working. Alright, so now we're going to connect we're connecting the ground wire now, guys. And then we're going to pull the rest of that SX cable on through. Alright, let me hurry up and get done from down here before I blow something or kill myself. All right, let me give you a high-level overview of our electrical system. Follow me. We're gonna start from the outside. So, as you walk up, first thing you can see, we have these cameras all the way around on the front, side, everything else. Check out our camera video install for that. We have our security lights. We have 4 of those all the way around. They can go from white to yellow. And then we go up underneath the vehicle. Here we have our electric ball valve. And over here, we have our air compressor, and we use that train horns to set this thing off. There go Kizzy. Say, what up, Kizzy? And one other thing we have is our shore power. That's right here. It's a standard at 120. So that's all it is, a standard 120. So let me tell you, on the inside, we have 20 USB A and C inputs. We have 18, let's count them, 18 120 volt plug-ins. So let me take you and show you a quick view of what we got on the inside, just the electrical stuff. So as you come in, here's our command center. Just touch that screen. You can see what your battery life is, how much it's charging, everything that's wasting. This is the on and off buttons for all your different things. This is our DC. You can cut stuff on and off with your DC. Let me see. See, I can just cut the lights on and off. So you can cut this on, lights on and off with that, or you can use the switch up here. We've added this switch because it's easier to hit your lights with this. Just boom, hit them. So this controls the inside and the outside lights. And as you come around, then you have your security monitor right here below you, and that's an amazing security monitor. We have like 7 or 8 cameras in here. Under that, we have our breaker boxes, and we store our remote controls and stuff in there. Behind this wall is stuff such as your internet access, your security monitor, what's that, Starlink, and all that good stuff. On this side, we have our fit station, Frosty, Ice, and Tea. And below that, we have our refrigerator. This is a standard 120 refrigerator. I went with it because it has a lot of freezer space here. And down here, it's pretty good also. So, and on this side, we have a microwave, which is a 8-in-1. It's some convection. It's a air fryer, microwave, dehydrator, and a bunch of other crap. Below that, we have our battery system, which is 11 kilowatts, guys. Count it, 11. And right now, we don't use these two, which amount for like 7,000 of that. This 4,000 by itself, this ComVolt 4200, has not blinked. I mean, it's been amazing. We have not even had to use these batteries. So I put a cutoff on these batteries just to keep from, having to use them. Because it will draw battery power, and then it will take you longer to charge things back up. So we just been running with that one a power station right there. And below that, we have our hot water heater. It powers that. And we have outlets and stuff on the wall back here, right there. Got outlets all around this thing. There's our, I think, 27-inch TV, and this TV actually swivels out all the way to this door, so you can look at it standing out here, and you pull it out into the aisle, you can see it from the back. So we think we did a great job with that. And number one thing we had to have this go around was this AC unit right here. This thing is amazing. I mean, the air that it puts out is just ridiculous, man. It frees you to death. And I'm talking about when it's set at like 78 degrees. But anyway, that's a quick overview of what we have in this van. We're gonna do a full tour coming soon. Make sure you check back. KapKen.